Morning, students. We are here with the first chapter of volume 2, that is financial statement of a company. Financial statement you have studied in class 11th, that is you have studied financial statement of sole proprietorship business. In that you have studied trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. The concept of making financial statement of the company is same, but the format is different. So in this chapter we will focus on the format of the balance sheet of a company and profit and loss. Okay, so first of all I must recall, or I must make you recall, that in class 11th you have studied this format of balance sheet of a sole proprietorship business. Balance sheet as on you used to write, and left hand side liability, then amount column, then right hand side asset, and then amount column. In the liability column you used to write capital and other liabilities, and fixed assets and current assets in the asset side. This format is called the horizontal format because you used to write liability and then amount, then asset and then amount. It is in horizontal form. Okay, and it is also called T-shape account. T-shape account, this T-shape account. Okay, but in company the format is different. The concept is same, everything is same, but the format is different. In company we used to make this format. Okay, so this is the format given or prescribed in part 1 schedule 3 of Companies Act 2013, which is as follows. First of all, particular is there. First of all, company name is there, then balance sheet as on 31st March or whatever, then particulars, note number, previous year amount and current year amount and previous year amount. Why this previous year amount is given? In order to compare the performance of current year and previous year. If in the question it is given, then you have to write, otherwise not. Then let's see that this format is a vertical format. Vertical format of company's balance sheet. In company's balance sheet we have to write all the assets and liabilities. The concept is same, but we have to write in different heads. So first of all there is equity and liability. Now what is equity? Basically in company the capital is invested by the shareholders. Okay, shareholders purchase the part of capital which is called shares. Small part of capital shareholders purchase, which is called shares, and which is also called shareholders fund. So instead of capital we write shareholders fund. So the liability side is divided into 4 main heads: shareholder funds, share application money pending allotment, non-current liability, current liability, then total of liability side. Then below that we have to write all the main heads of assets. First main head of asset is non-current asset, and second main head is current asset, and then total of assets. So this is called the vertical format of company's balance sheet. Vertical means in a vertical line we are making it. First of all we are writing all the liabilities, and then we are writing all the assets. Okay, now whatever cross marks you can see is out of the syllabus. We will not have to study about these points. These are out of the syllabus. Okay, now I am giving you a tip to remember the main heads of assets and liabilities. Okay, so the first main head of liability side is shareholder fund, which starts from S and S for sure. Then second main head is share application money pending allotment. It is Sharaba. Then third head is non-current assets. It is Nahi. And fourth head is current liability. Non-current liability is Nahi and current liability is Chahiye. And then we come to the main head, first main head of asset, that is Nahi, non-current asset, again Nahi. And then current assets, Chahiye. Means शोर शराबा नहीं चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए. By this phrase you can remember the whole main heads of liabilities and assets. Shareholder fund start from S and shore also S. Sharaba start from S and S, from S only. This second head is also starting share application money pending allotment. Then Nahi start from N, so from N non-current liability. Then Chahiye starts from C, so current liability. Then again Nahi, non-current asset, starts from N. Again Chahiye starts from C, which is current asset. So शोर शराबा नहीं चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए. In this way you can remember all the main heads of the company's balance sheet as per part 1 schedule 3 of Companies Act 2013. In my next video we will discuss about each of the subheads and what all items comes under each subhead. Thank you.